Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture of RSBK. Today we are learning chapter Abhraka. Synonyms of Abhrak are Abhraka, Gagana, Kha, Ghana, Akasha, Megha, Antariksha, Amala. Here you can understand that all the synonyms of Abhraka are the synonyms of sky. Then next point, vernacular names, Latin, Mica, English, Glamour, Hindi, Abhrak, Sanskrit, Abhra, Kannada, Kage Bangara. Mineralogical classification, identification, chemical composition, K, Fe2O3, Al2O3, SiO2, color, purple, rosy, silver, grey. Remember any two. Luster, pearly, cleavage, almost perfect, fracture, flaky and streak, white or colorless. Source and occurrence, where it is formed and in which source. Source is a rock forming mineral and occurrence in India, mostly occurred in India, the states of Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Punjab, UP, MP, Bihar, Karnataka, and other than India found in USA, Brazil. Types, this is most important question. Types of Abhraka. There are two types based on response towards heating and based on color. Based on response, there are four types: Pinak, Nag, Manduk, Vajra. Pinak, where when we burn the abrak, it will produce chit chit sound. In Naga abrak, when we burn, it will produce hissing of enraged snake sound. Manduk abrak, when we burn, it will thrown out, which resemble like jumping of frog. And in Vajra, there is no characteristic seen when burning. According to color, there are four types of abrak. First is Shweta, second Rakta, Pitta, Pita, Krishna. Shweta is given in the uh, disease of Shweta Kushta, Rakta Abhrak given in Pandu, Pita in Kamala, Krishna is Rasayana. Another types based on Varna are Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, and based on Udbhavasthana are Uttara Shailotha, Purva Shailotha, Dakshina Shailotha. Remember about two types. Grahya Lakshana. What are the good qualities of Abhraka? How we understand one Abhraka is very good quality Abhrak and another is not so good. Grahya Lakshana means the one which have good qualities. What are those qualities? There are seven qualities. First, Snigdha. Second, Prithula. Third, Varnayukta. Fourth, Adhikbhara. Fifth, Sukha Nirmocha Patra. Sixth, Maha Ujvala. Seventh, Mridu. These are the seven Grahya Lakshana of Abhrak. Ashuddha Abhrak dosha. When we administer the Abhrak which is not properly Shodhita, what what are the diseases which we will see in the patient? Those are Sharira Badha, Rat Parshva Pida, Shofa, Kshaya, Pandu, Kushta. Next point, Pancha Sanskara of Abhrak. What are the five sanskaras of Abhrak? Just remember the names, no need to understand its procedure. Names are Dhanya Abhrak, Satvapatana, Nirmalakriya, Amritikarana, Satvapatana. Among those, all the sanskaras are explained in the next point after Shodhana except Nirmalakriya. Here are the sanskaras of Abhrak, Shodhana. Most important question. Sanskaras of Abhrak, Shodhana. Heat the Abhrak to red hot and immerse in kanji. Whole procedure we have to do for 7 times. This is Shodhana of Abhrak. Then Dhanyabhrak. Dhanyabhrak is performed between the Shodhana and Marana. It is given only for Abhrak. After Shodhana, the remaining physical impurities are separated by Dhanyabhrak procedure. For that, take 1 part of Shodhit Abhrak, mix with 4 parts of Shali Dhanya, keep in kambali and tie, immerse in kanji, keep it for 3 days, and after 3 days, rub vigorously. After rubbing fine particles, we will got that fine particles are called as Dhanyabhrak. For Marana procedure, take Dhanyabhrak, those fine particles, do or perform bhavana with all these drava, any one of these drava, Kshetratraya, Kakamachi, Gokshurakvatha, Apamarga Swarasa, Vata Praroha. After bhavana, subject to putta each time after bhavana. How many putta we have to give? 100 putta. Then we got the bhasma, which is non-lustrous, red in color, and destroy all the doshas. Abhraka Bhasma Lakshana. Now the bhasma we have got. What are the properties of that bhasma? Nischandra, non-lustrous, aruna red, swachha, susukshma, sparsha komala, amritikarana. Take this Abhraka Bhasma, 10 part plus Trifala Kwatha, 16 part plus Gogruta, 8 part. Heat in low temperature till liquid evaporates and allow it to cool. This is called as Amritikarana. For Lohitikarana, take Abhraka Bhasma, triturate with any liquid in Khalvayantra. Which liquid? Gangirki Kwatha, Bhadramusta Manjasta Vatamula Swarasa. Any one among these. Then, after trituration, make chakrika and sun dry. After completely drying, repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. Then, we got the Abhraka Bhasma, which have color of red lotus petal, non-lustrous and smooth, can be used for therapeutic procedures. Properties and therapeutic use of Abhraka. Rasa is Madhura, Guna Snigdha, Virya Shita, Vipaka Madhura, Doshagnata, Vatapittahara, Karma, Rasayana, Ayusha, Bala, Deepana, Kesham, Varna. Up to this karma, all these properties are same in the Sattvapatana Abhraka. The next point that we will study now, except Prayoga. Here Prayoga is Sarvaroga, their Prayoga are different. Sattvapatana. Sattvapatana is the procedure which have different points covered, in which we have this one, properties and therapeutic use, 1 point. We have to write all this information there also. So Shuddha Abhrak, take Shuddha Abhrak plus 1/4 part of Tankana, Mardan with Musali Rasa, make Chakrika, sun dry and confined in Sattvapatana, dry and confined in Sattvapatana Koshti, give intense heat, Sattva get extracted out of the Abhraka. Now we did the Sattvapatana of Abhraka. Now we have to do Shodhana of that Abhraka Sattva. Take Abhraka Sattva and heat to red hot. Dip in Trifala Kwatha. Repeat this for 7 times. Then Marana. Take Abhraka Sattva 2 parts plus Samaguna Kajjali 1 part. Triturate in Khalva Yantra till fine and smooth. Make Sharava Samput and give Gajaputta for 7 times. Abhraka Sattva Bhasma properties. What are the properties? I have said before, these are all the properties except Prayoga. Then what is Prayoga? Kshaya. Then where we have to administer the Abhraka Sattva Bhasma to the patient in the diseases of Kshaya, Pandu, Amavata, Kushta, Jvara, Shwasa, Kasa, Aruchi. Abhraka Sattva Bhasma. Matra is 1 Valla or 3 Ratti or 375 milligram. Anupana is Trikatu Kruta. Management, if we give a Shodhita Abhraka Sattva Bhasma, then complications occurs. How we can uh, cover or treat those complications, that is management. Atasi Bija, take Atasi Bija and grind with water and give it or administer it to patient for 3 days. There are no pathya given. Our pathas are Amla, Kshara, Kola, Taila. These are apatha. Important formulations of Abhraka Sattva Bhasma are Arogyavardhini Vati, Gagana Parpati, Mahayogaraja Gugulu, Panchamrita Parpati, Yogendra Rasa. Last point, research updates. Understanding effect of Abhraka Bhasma on Understanding effect of Abhraka Bhasma and its DNA repair potential in mouse model, pharmaceutico-analytical and neuroprotective act of Abhraka Bhasma. Thank you so much for watching. Another Rasayanas and their videos will be uploaded very soon. Bye bye.